Hello Tumblr, so there's this thing I have to do and it's the recording meme, and as I got 5 on 10 asks about it, I'm gonna do it. So, what are the things? Your name and username. It's my username is Echima and my name is Aurélie. So with the shitty French accent, it's still Echima and Aurélie. Where are you from? I'm from France. So with the shitty French, with the shitty French accent, it's still France. Pronounce the following words. I'll do it twice. Okay. So there's aunt, roof, root, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, probably, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, pajamas, coat, naturally, aluminium, gift, tumbler, crackerjack, doorknob, envelope, and GPOY. And with the French accent, it's aunt, roof, route, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, probably, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, pajamas, coat, naturally, aluminium, gift, tumbler, crackerjack. Wow, it's crackerjack. Okay. Doorknob, envelope, GPOY. Okay, that was awful. I'm so sorry. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? Does it have a name? We just do it or not? My friend did it, but I never did it. What is a bubbly carbonating drink called? Isn't it a soda or something? I don't know. In French we just say soda. Or what can we say? Most of the time it's a cola or a coca. That's all. Yeah, for Coke we say cola or coca. Most of the time we say coca. So yeah. What do you call gym shoes? Gym shoes. Basket? Yeah. Basket or tennis. Tennis, yeah. That's how we call it. What do you call your grandparents? Papi and Mammy. But as I didn't see them for a while, it's just mes grands-parents. Grand-père, grand-mère. I don't really know. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? Oh, yeah. It's a sac en plastique. Yeah. That's really cool for a name. Sac en plastique. What is it? What is the thing you change the TV channel with? Oh, the remote control. In French, it's télécommande. Yeah. Because TV is said télé. Yeah. Choose a book and read a passage from it. Oh yeah, I chose the Harry Potter one, so it's been French. Let's see how it begins in French. Monsieur et Madame Dursley, qui habitaient au 4 Private Drive, avaient toujours affirmé avec la plus grande fierté qu'ils étaient parfaitement normaux. Merci pour eux. Jamais quiconque n'aurait imaginé qu'ils puissent se trouver impliqués dans quoi que ce soit d'étrange ou de mystérieux. Ils n'avaient pas de temps à perdre avec des sornettes. Monsieur Dursley dirigeait à Grunnings une entreprise qui fabriquait des perceuses. C'était un homme grand et massif, qui n'avait pratiquement pas de cou, mais possédait en revanche une moustache de belle taille. Madame Dursley, quant à elle, était mince et blonde et disposait d'un cou 2 fois plus long que la moyenne, ce qui lui était fort utile pour espionner ses voisins en regardant par-dessus les clôtures des jardins. Les Dursley avaient un petit garçon prénommé Dudley et c'était à leurs yeux le plus bel enfant du monde. Les Dursley avaient tout ce qu'il voulait. La seule chose indésirable qu'il possédait, c'était un secret dont il craignait plus que tout qu'on le découvre un jour. Si jamais quiconque venait à entendre parler des Potter, ils étaient convaincus qu'ils ne s'en remettraient pas. Madame Potter était la sœur de Madame Dursley, mais toutes les deux ne s'étaient plus revues depuis des années. En fait, Madame Dursley faisait comme si elle était fille unique, car sa sœur et son bon à rien de mari étaient aussi éloignés que possible de tout ce qui faisait un Dursley. That'd be all for today. I won't read the entire book. I would. Oh yes. Choose a book. Okay, I just made this one. Do you think you have an accent? Yes, I do. Be a wizard or a vampire? You're a wizard, Harry. Yes, I'd be a wizard. Do you know anyone on Tumblr in real life? Yes, actually I have, French accent. Actually I have a friend that convinced me to go to Tumblr, and oh god, I can't do that. She convinced me to go to Tumblr, and that's why I know someone on Tumblr in real life. And also I met Rory Stagg, that's also Rory Arthur Williams. I met Time Lord Ram Nicole and Ginger Tern, Amy Pond Williams, a little Clara Oswald is super lucky. In Cardiff this summer. Yeah, that was great. I'm so sorry, I'm so bad at this. I used to speak like this in English class, but no, I can't. Just like, what am I saying? It doesn't sound English, it doesn't sound French. What is it? So yeah. End audio post by saying any 3 words you want. 3 words. Okay. Banana fight. No. Does that count? I know it's from Ice Def movie, but yeah. Because in French we say Ice Def movie. We are so bad at this. Yeah. It's a ASDF movie, in fact. From Tom Ska. You should watch it. Totally. Yeah, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you laughed as much as I did inside, because that French accent of mine is just horrible. Bye, my Tumblr!